Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the background from your signature using Canva. You can use any app that you'd like. It says, with Canva's background remover, turn a handwritten signature into an e-signature in one click. Perfect for attaching signatures to formal documents, contracts, and agreements. Try it once for free. I'm just going to drag and drop the image, and it's going to open in Canva. And it just basically uses a background remover. There are other apps that you can even use Photoshop, but I feel like now with everything, it's just easier to do this. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I guess you can change the color of the pen as well here. So I'm just going to color it black for the pen. And voila, that is it. That is your signature done. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.